I think everybody needs a place to go to be themselves, a place where they can relax, make noise, or be peaceful, a place to call home. People are suffering from all sorts of noise in this modern life. That might be noise from neighbours, it might be noise from a busy street outside, or other types of environmental noise. The unwanted noise has an effect on our mental health and our well-being, and we all deserve a place to relax and be ourselves. Every job is different. Every job requires a bespoke solution. When someone approaches us with a noise problem, I really try to understand how it's affecting that person. It affects their sleep, their health, and it puts a strain on their relationship with anyone around them. Their house doesn't feel like a home, and we tailor our solution specifically to that customer's noise problem. I definitely don't see myself as a builder. I see myself as a person that solves problems for people. Solving noise in someone's home, it's quite a difficult problem to solve. It does involve quite a complicated solution, and to be able to do that and give that to families is very rewarding. At Quietco, we take on large or small problems, be it radio stations, classrooms, hotels, home cinemas, to noisy neighbours. We have a really great team, and the workmen are absolute craftsmen in what they do. They really care for every job, and they treat each project with the respect that it deserves. When you see the change in someone's life and their lifestyle after you solve their noise problem for them, it has really transformed their life. They're spending more time in their home, and that to me is an amazing feeling to give that to someone.